I haven't been very productive recently. I usually would work on videos you know, once a day or so. So all I've been doing is watching anime because it's frustrating trying to work on stuff when the internet isn't going to be working properly. Because the last thing you want to do is work on stuff while... How do I get down there? Darn it. You see that light down there? It's not supposed to be amber right there. Well, whatever. Well, let's focus. So, since I have been using that old router, it's about time I got a proper one. This is nicely packed. This is for something used. Won't be needing that. And I won't be needing that either. It's probably CAD not 6. What CAD is it? Yep, 5. There's the antennas, and they're white, so that lets you know that we have the white edition of the RT-AC68W, but this is a W because of its hue. Nicely sealed. So this is used, so that means they put it in a resealed bag. Ah, that's nice. And I didn't pay all that much for it, so yeah. The big feature for me, it passed, is the LED on-off switch. Oh, it's a trigger. That's nice. And the reset button, on-off. Got all your ports, and it sits straight up. Look at that. Look at it sitting straight up. You got the WPS on the side with the Wi-Fi on-off button. That's just a button. That's a trigger. Okay, so man, this is in a lot nicer condition than the eBay review said. This looks really nice. All right, so I'll be setting that up and I'll be working on videos again because internet. This is really nice looking. I wouldn't spend 180 on it though. There's no way. I'd just get a black edition or the regular U. Just because it's a different color should cost so much more, well, on eBay anyway. Maybe $10 or $5 more. Let's go plug things up. Back that up anymore. Okay, that wasn't important. Yeah. Put it upside down compared to how it plugs up here. Let's see. Grab around here. Laptop and the desktop. instead of this is boring right here. Alright, let's move some things around. You shouldn't put it against the wall. I don't think that's where you would normally put something like this. But I don't have any choices on where I can put it. Alright, let's turn off the light and fire it up. Wait, yeah, let's turn it off and fire it up. Oh, it was bright. Now you may or may not be able to see, but the router, I'm gonna have two different views for you. The router is totally unlit. So the button back here, I pressed it in and it turned off all the LEDs. And I press it again, all the LEDs come back on. So hopefully if I install DDWRT on here, because I had a bad experience with the old Asus firmware, but I'll have it as backup or whatever. Hopefully this will still work, because I'll do some research though.